2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hiya! Special move 9. Hiya! Back up. Attention. And bow. Let's learn Rockin Tiger Form 1. Attention. Bow. Good. Ready, stance. Hiya! Rockin Tiger Form 1.
Rockin Tiger Form 1.
1. Look to the left. Load for your left low block. Step out with your left foot into a left front stance and do a left low block. 2. Using your backhand, do a right middle punch to the tummy. Do not move your feet. 3. Look over your right shoulder. Load for your right low block. Turn 180 degrees into a right front stance and do a right low block. 4. Using your backhand, do a punch to the tummy. Do not move your feet. 5. Look down the middle. Pick up your left foot and turn to the middle 90 degrees into a front stance. Bring your hands up to guard. 6. Do a back leg front kick. Step forward. 7. Do a back leg front kick. Recoil. Step forward. 8. Do a back leg front kick. Hiya! Step forward. 9. Do your very own special move. Hiya! Borrow. Return to your starting position. Attention and bow. Let's do it one more time.
Rockin Tiger Form 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hiya! Special move 9. Hiya! Back up. Attention. And bow.